Everybody, I'm going to show, I'm going to make a video on how to squeeze in your little trunk space here a miniature air compressor and a tire patch kit or a plug kit. To start off, what you would like to do is remove that little flat piece that's in there. It's a pin here and a pin here. I took it out. It served no purpose and it was eating up space. Also, before we get started, you can also see down in there you can fit, or what I've done anyways, was I've wired up directly to the battery with a fuse. Always add a fuse, but a 12-volt socket. So you got power. That runs all the way to the battery with a fuse. You pop that off and you have a 12-volt socket. So anyways, let me tuck that back in. Okay, I also want to show that underneath here you can squeeze a multi-tool. I have just a couple of wrenches there. I think that's a 10 and a 12 or maybe two 12s for making like a clutch adjustment or something on the road. There's a little 12-volt adapter you can squeeze in there too. So we'll do that. So first thing you want to do, like I said, remove that flap. 3 tire patch plugs, or tire plugs, rubber cement, put in a Ziploc bag, and roll it up, and just squeeze it in here anywhere that it'll fit. Being that they're so small, you can kind of just squish them wherever. You can get other kits that have a much more narrow handle, but I got these to work, so I just stuck with them. What you're going to do is take one of these, and you're going to put the long end up there. It's going to go all the way back by the tail light, and that'll just sit right there. Take the other one and slide it down there. We'll slide it in there like that. Give it a little push. And then you got your compressor. Probably do this with one hand. Just sit it right there and tuck all your stuff in. Probably get this in there too. There's plenty of room if you make use of all the little nooks and crannies. So there's that. You saw what all we had in there, and we can get the seat to go back on. There it is. Everything's in there. If you want to keep watching, I'm just going to do it in reverse. You don't have to keep watching. Okay, so you saw that it's latched. Pop your seat off. Remove your compressor. Remove your plugs and glue, cement, and leave the wrenches. There's an adapter here. Your 12 volts down there. Here is your tire reamer. And there is the plug puller. And that's everything to fix your, or hopefully if you don't get it, if you get a nail, hopefully you have this with you and you can get it plugged up. I think another poster or another member had posted something about getting a flat tire, and it cost him, $250 for a tow, plus all that time that you've lost. So you can squeeze those few tools in there, and it could save your day.